New York Giants starting quarterback Eli Manning sustained a nasty-looking head gash during a preseason game against the New York Jets on August 16, 2010. It happened during the second quarter of the game as Manning dropped back to pass. According to ESPN, Manning collided with Giants running back Brandon Jacobs just before he was hit by Jets linebacker Calvin Pace. Manning's helmet came off, and as he fell forward, he struck the face mask of Jets safety Jim Leonhard. A stunned Manning got to his knees and then found his feet, immediately heading for the sidelines as blood ran down his forehead and face. Manning did not return to play. The Giants went on to beat the Jets 31-16. ESPN says Manning suffered a 3-inch laceration on his head that required 12 stitches to close. In a statement released by the Giants, Manning said, "I feel fine." According to the Giants, Manning showed no signs of a concussion and an X-ray revealed no damage. Manning went on to say in his statement that, "I feel normal. I'll be back as soon as I can. It's really not an injury, nothing serious. I could really go back out and play right now if I had to." Manning took the blame for his injury, which apparently came on a busted play. Manning said, "We had a run play with an option to throw a fade that I thought I might try, but Brandon was coming right up the middle. Sometimes you make a mistake and you get hit in the head. It's preseason. You learn from it. I'll be back as soon as I can." For more information on this topic, visit the link below.